Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to share content posted on Instagram to X, formerly known as Twitter, using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the videos on the tutorial. You need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Instagram, content that was posted to the account, as well as an account for X. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Click on this way for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to Instagram.com via the bookmarks. Make sure that you are signed into the account. Go to profile, then click on an image that we will be posting or having shared to another social media platform known as X. Top right corner, 3 dots. Click on share to. We can either share to threads, which we did in the previous tutorial, Facebook, Messenger, Twitter, which is now called X. Click on this. This will redirect us to x.com, and make sure that you are signed into your X account. See this Instagram post by Computer Science Videos, and we also have the link for that post itself. So what I'll do is let me re-edit this. Click on post, go to profile, and there we have that post taken directly from Instagram, posted to X on a Mac computer. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.